Removing the door card on the F21 series and also the 2 series. Start by removing the exterior of the door handle. There is a channel here that you can insert a Bojo tool into. Make sure you remove the panel down, as there's a hook here. Now you'll need to remove the interior door handle surround. So insert a tool here. Pull the trim piece down, as there are pieces of plastic pointing up where there are ambient lighting fitted on upper models. Now you've got 5 T25 Torx screws, 3 that you've just uncovered and 2 under the bottom of the door card. Once you've got all the screws out, you'll need some pry tools. You can start with a small one, but it may help to use a larger one. Insert the tool in this corner of the door card here. This is probably the first time the door card's been removed, so that's why it's a bit stiff. Now the top of the door card also pulls out this way, not up like on a lot of other cars. And then lift it over the lock indicator. Remove the handle cable. There's a plastic clip here. You can just lift it up and then remove the wiring connectors. You may have one higher up here if your car is fitted with ambient lighting, and this is the one for the window switches. And that's the door card removed.